Guys, I make a tutorial about the PanSnap Captures 2S. I-install natin to kung paano. Kailangan daw muna tayo ng mag-download ng Capture 2. This one. Kailangan natin mag-download ng Capture 2. Ito yung yung Capture 2S. So, bago natin siya i-on, before we on this one, we need to fix the phone first. I-fix natin. Kaso lang yung dineliver sa akin, wala siyang stand. Nakalimutan siguro o wala talaga. Now, i-fix natin siya. We need also open the Bluetooth. Fix that, and then we need to on this one. We need to press 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Nag-ilaw na po siya. Then we need to press 3 times so that this one is going to rotating. Press natin ito siya. This one. 1, 2, 3. Ayaw gumana si pare. We need to open the Capture 2. Alright. Yan, connected na yata yan. We need also open the Bluetooth so that they are connected each other. Ayan. Patay mo natin. Yun, nalagay na natin tong cellphone. And now we need to open this one. You press 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Buhay na siya. Yan. Gumana na. Right. And then, we need to press this one 3 times. The button. To rotating. Para mapunta sa kanyang pwesto talaga siya. Right. Okay na siya. Op. Bakit ka ganyan? Alright. Ito na ho. So, if you want to up and down the camera, we need to press this one. That up and down. And it to rotate, you press this one left and go just to right. Like that. Pasensya na kayo sa aking kwartos, not so magulo. Like that. Mali. Ngayon, kung gusto niyo ma-rotate yung camera, ito, we need to press only this one. That. So that the camera will rotating. That. And if you want to make a photo, you need to this one single shot. Like that. This portion is brought to you by PanSnap Captures 2S. Smooth your story. The Captures 2S gimbal is a 3-axis handheld gimbal specially designed for mobile phone. It assists mobile phone shooting, effectively eliminating the external jitter caused by the shooting process and creating stable and smooth image. The Captures 2S gimbal support the horizontal and vertical position of the mobile phone. The shooting angle of the mobile phone can be adjusted manually and quickly by controlling the bottom to meet the need of daily shooting and film production. In this time, I'm checking the settings of the phone, what we can do more this Captures 2 is. For more information, just read the manual and watching to the other tutorial about the Captures 2 is. And thank you for watching for my nonsense tutorial about the Captures 2 is. Maraming salamat po sa panonood sa aking walang kwentang tutorial dito sa aking video.
Immigration di. Gawin nila di. Ha?